what you've been through, why you got scars. Since you walked through the door, I've been trying to reach you.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing an all-day clean with me, and today I thought I'd start in our master bedroom since I usually always start in the kitchen. I'm just starting off by making our bed, and then I'm going to dust our nightstands and headboard.
Got only you on my mind. I couldn't face what I couldn't find. Just need to know I need peace of mind. Where are you now? Even though I won't believe it, the truth is a lie, we are healing. Even though words are deceiving, you move on. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. If you can make me smile, if only for a while, there's always this big part.
After that, I'm going to use this invisible glass cleaner and I'm going to clean our mirror. I still don't know if I'm going to hang this or not. I'm still on the fence, but for now it's still just sitting on the floor.
I'm all alone down the steady road, just full of thoughts about to explode, facing the night.
After that, I'm going to start dusting the pictures on my wall, and you may notice this new piece in our room. This is from Grafomap. I freaking love it. It's a map of the exact coordinates of where I've got married. Their website I will link down below for you guys. I think it's so beautiful. This is a canvas and it's 20 by 24. Like I said, I'll link everything down below for you guys so you can check it out. But I feel like this piece just really completed our bedroom. After that, I'm going to start in on dusting our dresser as well. And then dusting our shelves.
That even though I lost, I'll find something better. I'm running all around this town. This feeling has me stepping down. But I don't wanna have to wait too much longer. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me.
After that, I'm going to give this floor a quick vacuum, and then I'm going to head into our master bathroom.
If you can make me smile, if only for a while.
In here, I'm just going to be cleaning off our counter, wiping it down, wiping the mirror down, cleaning the toilet, vacuuming, just standard stuff for a bathroom.
To keep it nice and clean, not freak out and cause a scene. I try to hold it together, keep it together, not sure who I really am, just be cute and super bland. I try to hold it together, keep it together, been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been
I have been loving this Mrs. Meyer's lavender toilet cleaner. It smells really good and it seems to do a pretty good job.
And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on. I'm not gonna need that song. Hit it.
done in there, I'm gonna head into my office and I'm gonna start with cleaning off my vanity and wiping it down. I'm then gonna wipe down my workstation, my desk, and vacuum in here.
'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record on. Hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on. I'm not gonna need that song. Hit it. Come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
Come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record on. Hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on. I'm not gonna need that song. Hit it.
After that, I'm gonna head into Dee's bathroom and I'm gonna do the same thing. Wipe down the mirror, the counter, clean the toilet, and vacuum.
You got me begging pretty please. I'm so hung up on you. I couldn't tell you what it feels like, but I sure think you do. Where do you go when your glass end up empty? Oh, I wanna know, won't you let me know? Where do you hide when you leave me wasted? Oh, I wanna know. We're only lovers when we count down. Tell me when to stop, tell me when to stop, babe. Just keep on dancing like we're night bound. Lovers on the clock, I'll be ready when we go down. We spend the night on bubble bliss, forever lasting.
Once I'm done in there, I'm gonna head into our living room and I'm gonna start by tidying up, cleaning up any blankets and toys off the floor.
Where do you go when your glass end up empty? Oh, I wanna know, won't you let me know? Where do you hide when you leave me wasted? Oh, I wanna know. We're only
I'm then gonna vacuum my couches. This is the easiest thing ever since I got this vacuum.
stop, babe. Just keep on dancing like we're night bound. Lovers on the clock, I'll be ready when we go down.
Once I'm done with that, I'm gonna start in on my normal dusting of our side tables and TV stand and our fireplace and everything.
It's easy to speak out up the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream. No supermodel in my dirty jeans, but in my 24 inches heels. I'm not pretending I'm born like this again.
Then I'm going to give this floor a quick vacuum. I'm going to vacuum the entryway, and then I'm going to head into the kitchen.
Really care, yeah. And I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.
First, going to start off by loading the dishes from breakfast.
It's trouble in your mind how I spend my time, but it's a 24-hour streak. Wasting all your thoughts just to criticize, but there are plenty more ways to think.
And then cleaning out my sink using the Mrs. Meyer's Mint Scent dish soap. I love this stuff, it smells so good. And I do have linked below where you can get a Mrs. Meyer's dish soap, hand soap, and lotion, and one of these scrub brushes, all from grovecollaborative.com when you spend $20. I always have that linked down in my description box for you guys.
Mad woman, calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.
Once I'm done cleaning out my sink, I'm going to start in on wiping down all of my counters. Again, I'm using the Mint Scent.
Don't be such a stranger, tell me how you're feeling. You know I don't have to live inside your frames, boy. It's such a funny way to tell me what you search in life. Well, I'm a mad woman, sorry I don't compromise. Mad woman, mad woman. Keep calling me a mad woman. Boy, it's another.
Once I'm done with that, I'm going to use the Method Daily Wood for Good cleaner again and wipe down my kitchen table. And then I'm going to take out all of the trash and clean off the trash can. I'm then going to give the floor a quick vacuum, and that's it. That's everything for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this all day clean with me. If you did, make sure and give it a big thumbs up, as well as leave a comment down below letting me know what your favorite thing to clean in your home is. Make sure to check out Grafomap down below, and I hope you guys have a great weekend. Bye!
Do you care about me 'cause you're lonely? 'Cause I'm the only